Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Yami's Biology. Our today's topic of discussion is life cycle of viruses. So mainly viruses have two types of life cycle. The one is latic phase. The second one is lysis phase. These are the two phases of virus life cycle. Okay. So mainly there are overall 7 stages of this replication process, either the lytic phase or the lysogenic one. So the very first phase is attachment, in which the virus gets attached itself into the host, into the outer covering of the host with the help of their protrusions. The second step is penetration. After getting attached to the host, virus have to penetrate itself into the host. The virus mainly, either the whole virus gets penetrated into the host or their just nucleocapsid or their nucleic acid gets penetrated into the host cell. The next step is uncoating. When the virus starts to penetrate into the host, the uncoating process started, in which the nucleic acid gets separated from the nucleocapsid, gets uncoated, and then come into the host. The fourth step is replication. In the process of replication, it is done in the host. It is mainly done in the host when the virus gets inside the host. When the virus gets inside the host, it uses their metabolic machinery to synthesize its own needs. So the virus gets replicated again and again. Their nucleic acid gets multiplied and lots of virions are formed into the host, because not only a single virus can infect the whole organism, but their replica can help in damaging the whole organism. The next process is assembly. After many viruses are replicated, then these are many viruses in the host, so they have to get assembled to do their work better. Like we have a quotation in our Urdu ke 1-1-11. So if the viruses gets assembled, they will able to do their function properly. The next process is maturation. After getting assembled, the next process is maturation. Like when the replica formed, they are very little virions. They have to get mature enough to do the damaging process so that they can be virulent. So for their virulency, they have to get matured, and this process gets started, maturation. After they gets matured, this is the host cell. These are little viruses. They get matured. There are lots of. When the host cell is completely filled with these viruses, it gets burst. These viruses came out and infect other cells. So the last process is release. Like if viruses get matured, they completely fill the cell, then the cell get burst and the virus is released and infect to other cells. So we have discussed the overall process in which we discussed the two phases, latic plus lysogenic. Next we discussed the general method of virulency. Actually this is the general method of these two phases. So in the next video we will be going to discuss about these two phases, and we will discuss this general method of these two phases with the help of a complete diagram. I just gave you an overview of what about we are going to study tomorrow. Inshallah, I will upload the lecture of this in detail tomorrow. Wish me luck. Allah Hafiz.